Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to talk about seasonings that I use while I'm out in the woods, but I also want to add, I use these at home as well. I actually brought out a whole bag of seasonings that I use. Some are new and I haven't used yet, but this was kind of brought on by Really Big Monkey 1 because he did chicken wings out in the woods. Looked fantastic, but he commented that he got them a little too salty. So I mentioned in the comments for him, I said, well, I use, here's what I use. So I thought I'd do a video real quick and kind of go over what I use when I'm out here in the woods cooking. Because as Ray Mears said in his Bannock video, flavors become important to you when you're out in the woods, which I agree with. So let me tilt the camera down so you can see better, and then I'll. Okay, so first we have Trader Joe's salt and pepper. I've talked about grinding your own in several videos. I'm a big fan of it. You get more out of it. They taste better. You use a little bit less of it because they're typically stronger. When you grind it, you open up the kernels and you release all the goodness. So salt and pepper. This is just Winco garlic powder. I pretty much put this on everything. Or a lot. I'm almost out too, so I need to buy more. The one I mentioned to Dave, Really Big Monkey 1, is salt-free Mrs. Dash. I get the salt-free. I got the original seasoning. I pretty much put this in everything because I like seasoning salt, but I like the seasoning that's in seasoning salt, not so much the salt. And I end up over seasoning my food and putting too much salt in, which is not good for you. Red Pepper Flakes. I get this at the dollar store because it's only $1, and you get quite a bit of it. And what I've got at home is I've got a little coffee grinder, which I showed in my Bannock making the mix video. I just grind these up and add them to whatever food I want to add a little kick. Recent purchase is Cajun Style Spicy. I got this for my budget camping series. This is $1 at the dollar store. Creole seasoning, which I haven't even opened yet, also for the dollar store, $1, and that's quite a bit of seasoning too. And what else? Oh, and then I just have some paprika, which I got some Winco. Put that in pretty much everything. Newly purchased Slap Your Mama. I just bought this Saturday at Walmart, which is where I bought the Mrs. Dash. And I also got Mrs. Dash Salt-Free Table Blend, which is new. I haven't even opened this one yet. I've been meaning to try it. So there's that. Now to carry into the woods. A lot of you have seen my spice kit, which is here, and I'll link the video below. So this is a spice kit, and all they are is they're little mini bottles with a cork in it, just full of, like this is pepper. I just put a little piece of paper on it with a piece of tape. So pepper, salt, basically all you see before you. Well, that's below, right here. So, but if you don't have anything like this, because they're hard to get, I found, and I didn't bring with me, which I could kick myself for, I found these little travel containers, screw top, at dollar store. They're only $1, and they had like a lot of little containers and whatnot. But you can just use a small, this is a snack bag, zip top bag, so you just pour a few in and just add as much as you want as you go. And I know the Container Store, and I wish I'd brought them. Maybe I'll roll in a photo if I think about it, or I'll do a quick clip when I get home. They had these small little bags, so you could also put your seasonings in there. So that will be it for today's video. I hope you are having a great day. And what do you season your food with? And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.